If you watched any of these videos, you've probably heard me mention the fact that for 12 years I taught in bilingual classrooms, Spanish and English, of course. So one of my favorite uses of ChatGPT or any of the LLMs you want to use is to create bilingual text about the topics that I'm teaching. So we'll go to our prompt library as usual. I'm going to type in the word bilingual, and what do I find? Bilingual text. Now, if you're doing these in order in which they're on the YouTube channel, you haven't seen me do a multi-step direction yet for ChatGPT. This will be the first one that we're going to do. So copy that. I'm going to move over to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it in there, but I'll review it before I do. You can use quote marks or not use quote marks. It really doesn't matter. So I'm pretending I'm an 8th grade science teacher. I'm introducing the topic as states of matter. Step 1, I'm telling the LLM to create a 400-word narrative that does this, meaning introduce the topic, states of matter, using language appropriate for 8th graders who are new to the topic, which would be every 8th grader on the planet. Step 2, translate this passage into Spanish. Step 3, combine the English and Spanish versions of this narrative line by line, placing the Spanish translation of each line directly below the English version. So I've given it a sequential order of directions. Write a 400-word narrative, introduction to states of matter. Step 2, translate this into Spanish. Step 3, combine the two line by line, one on top of the other. Let's see how it does. All right, we're getting our English translation. And I used a 400-word limit. That's not very long, obviously. So now it's doing step 2. It's actually doing them in the order that I asked. How nifty is that? Let's see if it does step 3. And wow, it's giving me exactly what I asked. Gosh, this is fabulous. You, of course, can change the word limits. You can edit these things. But if you're going to edit the English, make sure you upload your edited version so that it can translate into Spanish and then give it the direction. And step 3 is do line by lines. Thanks, ChatGPT.